This is Anjana Shankar, and this is a big breaking story live. UAE has announced remote learning for all the UAE educational institutions starting January 3rd as the COVID cases are increasing in the country. The UAE authorities today in a media briefing announced that all the educational institutions, including schools, universities and educational institutions, will switch to an online learning model on January 3rd when the schools will reopen for 2 weeks. So this is an extra precautionary measures announced by the authorities as we are witnessing a surge in cases. As of today, our infection numbers have crossed 1,800 in the last 1 week. That is not a very comfortable position we are in, where UAE had achieved almost flattened the COVID curve, and the daily infection numbers were below 100, and within a span of 2 weeks we have crossed almost 1,800 COVID cases. So the authorities are ramping up COVID measures, and as of the latest measures announced by the UAE authorities, all the educational institutions in the UAE switching to an online learning model for 2 weeks starting January 3rd. This is a big story for a lot of parents. It's going to impact many UAE parents, whether you're working or not, where your children will be learning from home. So we are basically going back to what we saw in the early 2000 and early 2021, where most of the learning happened through online or on a hybrid model. Today, this is the second big breaking story. Earlier in the afternoon, we announced how Abu Dhabi has introduced new entry rules for UAE residents within the UAE traveling into the UAE capital, where you need to have a green Al Hosn app to enter the UAE, or if you are vaccinated, you need to have a PCR test with 96 hours validity. This is in addition to the EDE scanners, which are already installed at the UAE, at the Abu Dhabi borders for you to enter. So today at the press briefing, what the UAE authorities have announced that schools were supposed to go back to 100% campus learning for the new year, but the decision to temporarily shift to the distance learning across the UAE, it is based on the number of COVID cases that we are witnessing on a daily basis. And as of now, as we break the story, we are not very clear whether this new decision will apply to both the private and public schools, but stay tuned to Khaleej Times as we are very much following up on this story. And as we know very clearly whether this will be applicable also to the private schools, we will update you. But what we know as of now is all the educational institutions in the UAE, including schools and universities and training institutes, will switch to an online learning model for 2 weeks. And when the schools will go back to online to a face-to-face learning, the authorities have already announced that there will be very strict testing protocol to make sure that the infections don't spread within the school campuses, and parents who enter the campus will also have to have a green pass on their Al Hosn app or a PCR test. So the government spokesperson at the press conference said the changes and updates to the education system are adopted based on the latest developments, where we are seeing a rise in COVID cases. Stay tuned to Khaleej Times. We will be bringing